All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's another Feature Friday, and today I'd like to feature Felix Mariano from Frantic TV. If you watch YouTube for e-bike content, you've probably most certainly run across Felix. He is a prolific content creator, and he is a visionary coming up with the concept of an e-bike network, a network that's created for the electric bike community. There's news, there's weather, there's chat, talk shows, there's Around the Hood in 8 Minutes. If you've been watching my channel and if you've been watching that show, then you know all about it. I like to call Felix kind of like the RZA of the e-bike community here in New York City.
Nigga, I spit so ridiculous. I spit shit proving you never could get rid of us. When I spit, they cause the nigga to shit in his pants.
What he's trying to do is take the talents that he sees from around the area and bring them together in one spot to create like a super group, like the Wu-Tang, and like what RZA did with the Wu-Tang, with taking all his artists and all his friends and bringing them together. And I like what he's doing. And if you're not familiar with him, I will play some clips from his shows, from my show, and some things that I see on his page. He's got an Emmy for his work that he did on the Olympics for NBC. He's a graphic designer. He's an artist. And, you know, cheers. So this one here is for you, Felix. It's been a pleasure doing season 1 of Around the Hood in 8 Minutes with you. We did 17 episodes. He just put together a giant conglomerate of all of the episodes in one 2.5 hour video. So if you've got some time to kill, jump out to his channel, Frantic TV, watch that, binge watch the show. It's 17 episodes. There's a lot of content, a lot of history, a lot of information, and good food all around New York City. So Feature Friday, cheers. Felix Mariano, Around the Hood in 8 Minutes, Frantic TV.
Alright, make sure you get comfortable because I have a crazy story to tell you. Hi, my name is Felix Mariano and I'm a UX designer. I used to work for one of the biggest TV networks in the country, NBC Universal. I helped build their digital department for their sports division, NBC Sports. It was there where my design career skyrocketed to the top. By working on TV streaming sporting events such as the Super Bowl and the Stanley Cup, and eventually being nominated and winning an Emmy for my design work on the 2014 Winter Olympics. After reaching the top, I decided to step away from my job and, just like Bezos, to pursue personal projects, although not like Jeff going to space. My side projects were not that exciting. I created a racing lifestyle clothing brand, Frantic Wear, and also a talk show on YouTube, Frantic TV. I just want to say that Frantic TV this year is going to look a little bit different. We have decided to open up the platform for content creators to come in and create shows for Frantic TV.
Welcome to Frantic TV, your ultimate destination for all things e-bike, featuring our most popular shows. Around the Hood in 8 Minutes with Johnny Prime, The Uncle Richie Show, and E-Bike News with Felix Mariano. First up, we have Around the Hood in 8 Minutes with Johnny Prime, where renowned food critic and e-bike enthusiast Johnny Prime takes you on a culinary adventure through the hidden food gems of New York City. From the juicy steaks to mouth-watering delicacies, Johnny reveals the best-kept secrets of the city's food scene, all while cruising on his trusty e-bike. Next, get ready for the Uncle Richie Show as he tackles through the tough and often controversial issues facing the e-bike community. With no filter and a commitment to keeping the community safe and drama-free, Richie fearlessly dives into topics that others may shy away from. And finally, we have e-bike news with Felix Mariano, your go-to source for the latest updates and insights on the e-bike community. Emmy-winning producer Felix Mariano brings you the biggest stories, product reviews, and event highlights, offering a platform to showcase the innovations and advancements shaping the future of electric bikes. At Frantic TV, we're not just about the bikes, we're about the stories. We aim to capture the passion, the camaraderie, and the adventures that define the e-bike community. Whether it's exploring new food spots, sharing the joy of riding, or staying informed about the latest trends, Frantic TV has it all. So join us on Frantic TV as we bring you closer to the vibrant e-bike community. Subscribe now and be part of the excitement, the thrills, and the stories that make e-biking a way of life. Frantic TV, where the world of e-bikes comes to life.
The reason why I'm doing this is because I feel like now I have enough content for me to open up and tell you a little bit about my process and my origins and where I'm heading. It's always good to be open and honest and show people who you really are, because at the end of the day, it's very beneficial for you to do that, because then you don't feel the pressure of just like overacting or pretending. For me, this channel, it has become something of like documenting my life. Everything that I show you here is something that I really do. The things that I buy, the bikes that I ride, everything is something that if I didn't have this camera here, I'll still be doing that. So might as well turn the camera on.